Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can lock apps using App Lock on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings and scroll down. Then tap on Apps section. After that, choose App Lock at the bottom and click on Turn On. Now create your pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Over here, you need to repeat it in order to confirm it. Then click on Next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log in to your Mi account by tapping on Sign In and Add, or just choose Not Now. Wait 5 seconds and tap on Not Now in the pop-up. If you wish to lock all of those apps, just click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them. Check for 0 over here and tap on Use App Lock then. If you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps, go into Settings and follow all of the instructions. If you don't want to do it now, choose Cancel. Finally, you can click on the switches next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case YouTube. Then click on Home button. So now when I try to access YouTube, icons that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable App Lock from one of your apps, just click on the same sweater in App Lock settings. In order to disable App Lock completely though, you need to tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Click on this sweater next to App Lock and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!